Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how we can lock the panels, freeze columns, or we can freeze the rows in the Google Sheet. Okay, so you can see in my screen, there is an Excel sheet and there is a tabular data. You can see, and if you wanted to log this, if I, scroll the vertical bar, you can see. If I scroll the vertical bar, I'm not able to see the header. Okay, so I wanted if my data, I'll scroll it, my header will be visible every time. So in that case, I wanted to log this header. So how we can do it? We need to do it in we need to go to the view, okay, and we have to freeze option here. So go to one row because I wanted to freeze only the one row, okay, and this is first row. So if you see, once I click on one row, there is a grayed line over here. Can you see this grayed line? That means my this vertical bar is now coming just below this grade line. Okay, I cannot scroll it above this, so that means it frees it. If I scroll down, you can see the data content, data rows is going upward, but my header row is freezed. If you wanted, we have an option here, not only header row, we have option, we can sorry, we can lock the two rows also, up to one rows. Okay, these are rows. And here, if you wanted to lock your columns also, so we can lock the columns. So I'll click on two rows. So if you can see, now this grayed area is coming till this second row, and you can see this vertical is coming a little bit low from that second row. If you see here, if I move it, now my first row and the second row, this two rows will be locked. Okay, and it's freeze, we can say the freeze rows. So let's suppose I wanted only headers to be freeze, come back again and make it as one row. Okay, now header is locked, row is locked. Let's see how we can freeze the column. Let's suppose this is a sensitive data, employee ID sensitive data, which I don't wanted to show to my customers, and I wanted to sorry, I wanted to this employee ID I wanted to always show to the customer. I wanted to lock it. Okay, so if you scroll to the horizontal line, if you see, if I scroll the horizontal this one bar, so if I scroll it, all the content will go to the left side. Okay, everything. I wanted every time my employee ID to be visible. Okay, so in that case, I wanted to lock my first column. So go to view again, go to freeze, and here in the column, click on one column. See here, the same thing, the grade line is coming over here, and your vertical bar, sorry, horizontal bar is coming slightly right to here. Okay, you can see, if you are able to see this vertical horizontal bar, you cannot come take it to the left side. Now if you scroll to the right, you can see the employee name, city and gender, it will be moved. Okay, see, but employee ID is always visible. So this way you can lock your head this one. You can freeze your columns as well as you can freeze your rows. I hope you like the video. Thank you.